Kayla, Angel's looking for the ball. Angel's looking for a ball.
Put it up there because that's where she is most of the time.
She's trying to find the ball.
Oh.
Get it, Angel.
It's not even there to get, Caleb.
I don't care. Get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Go sit down. Get out of the way.
Angel's not eating her food anyway.
The lid's on.
That's
all right?
Ahsoka. That's Angel. That's my dog. That's my aunt's dog. Ahsoka. Hey.
Come here. Come here, Angel. Come here, Angel. Both of them. Come here.
Mosquito. Whatever she just ate. Okay, same Ahsoka. That's her ball. That's her ball. And Angel's ball is on there. Ahsoka. Ahsoka. What are you doing? You're not going to find it under there. I'm not sure what she's doing. Don't ask me. I seriously do not know. I have no idea what she's doing. What?
Never mind. Like, ball. Ahsoka, you're not going to find that. Up there.
Ahsoka. Anyway, bye.